to fix Instagram followers stuff. So let's head right here to our profile, and you can see in here your followers that you have. So on some cases, even if someone follow you, they won't reflect right here. That reason will only be possible if there's a bug on the Instagram itself. So if there's a bug on Instagram, your followers will not increase even though they followed you or you have been restricted. In order to fix that, make sure that you are connected to a reliable Wi-Fi or data provider. Another option that you can do is you can monitor your actual followers count live. In order to do that, head over right here to your browser and search in here for live Instagram followers count. You can see some tools right here. Just head over and just choose one of them. Then put in here your Instagram username. So I'll head over and then put in here mine. And then click on this search option right here. Now this will search for you, and as you can see, this is my profile. Now in here you can see your followers count as well as the following and posts that you have. So if on some cases that this will still not increase, this may be due to a glitch or a bug in the system of Instagram. So to fix that, head over to your Play Store, then search. So let's search in here for that. And then if there's an update on Instagram, make sure to update. So that's how you fix Instagram follower stuff.